We got the benches yesterday. We already assembled 2 of them, and these are some really high quality benches. They come with the outlet, 2 USB ports, and this thing to wrap the wire on, so everything is nice and clean. And these are Craftsman benches, really high quality, solid. We can adjust the height on these. Right now this is the lowest that they can go, 31 inches. I would have liked them to be 29 inches, but they are 31, not a big deal. The reason I said 29 inches is because the ones that we use inside here, they are 29, and I'm used to that height, but these are slightly higher, and they can go up to probably 41 inches or 42 inches, which is not practical unless you want to work standing up. So right now we have 5 of them, 1, 2, 3. They're building this one now, and there's 1 here. So the place is still a mess. 2 will go on that side. We have 1 over there, and 2 will go on the side here. Okay, this is my dad, and this is Big Boss right here.
سليمة للأخوة العرب، بنقول لهم قريبا إن شاء الله رح يكون عندنا معهد للتدريس مرتب.
Inshallah. Let's take a look at my dad's office, and this is where all the shipping happens. All the products, the items. He did not transfer all the products here yet, but let's see what we have here. Jumper wires, we just got them. They were out of stock for 2 weeks. We just got a 2,000 piece batch. I do not know what these are here. Flux, a lot of syringes. We get a lot of orders of Flux every day. These are packages, orders that came in today. They are ready to ship out. Let me see what's in here. What did the customer order? This one, it's 5 retimer chips. Great. This is for the Xbox One X. What's in here? What is this for? Okay, a couple of things. Flux, 3 syringes. We have the 1005 filters, 5 of them, 201 filters, and low melt solder sticks. Great. So on and so forth. The shipping machine here, this is an awesome machine, Mini Air Pro. We make the bubble wrap with this, and there's so many different types of bubble wraps, the filler, the thick one, the wide one, different bubbles, vertical bubbles, or this one is like crossed bubbles. We have the scale here, and the place is just coming along. These will be posted on our website soon. Charges any battery, Samsung, iPad, iPhones. We're gonna post them on our website soon. This is a box that will hold the phone, the motherboard, the screws, and all that stuff. We have screw mats. You can never have enough of those. We have the magnetic watch, so you can put screws on while working. We have the syringe plunger from Mechanic. We have a lot of those. We did not post them on the site yet, and this is the amp meter that I use every single day. We have a lot of them. This is the iPhone meter that we use whenever we are working on an iPhone. So a lot of things, a lot of things. Of course, the fridge here, and snacks, very important. Protein bars. So this room is coming along nice, and it's not done yet, but almost. Bathroom, we put this shelf with the casters to hold a lot of the stuff. Really good casters from Costco, very, very high quality. And this door we actually took off from here because we do not need it. We're gonna put a sliding door instead, right here. And this is Big Boss in action. Today he's not fixing. I told him to just finish the benches because we need to get this stuff done. We are starting to clear stuff up from here. I think I'm gonna keep my bench here. I initially thought maybe I'm gonna be working from the other room, but it's too much hassle to remove everything from here, and I'm used to this bench here. I have the camera set up here, and I have the light box here. I do not want to have to take everything out and put it over there, but we're gonna have to clear a lot of the stuff that you see in this room. So we got the benches set up right now. We have 2 on the left and 2 on the right. We have all the tools coming: microscopes, hot air, soldering stations, and here we have the ESD mat, $700 for a 50 feet roll. Okay. Okay, so we did this backwards so we can roll it. It looks beautiful. I want to make sure it's even. It's even from all sides, and now we're gonna get the razor and we're gonna cut it from the end. But the reason for the mat is not so that we can get rid of the static. That's the least of our worries. But the reason we use the mat is because the mat takes a lot of abuse. Even if you stab it with a knife, it's very, very difficult for the knife to puncture through this. And this takes a lot of heat. Let's say we are working with our hot air station and maybe heat hit the table. This mat is gonna take a lot of heat abuse rather than damaging the bench. I mean, the mats that I have inside here, I've been using them for probably 10 years. And look at this. They are still in mint condition. I mean, some dirt, some stuff on them, but they are in mint condition except for the one that I use here. I've used this one a lot. Look at the burn marks from hot air. If I was not using this mat, then the bench under here would have burned out a long time ago. If I lift the mat, look at the bench, still mint. So this mat takes a lot of abuse. Over 10 years using this and it's still going. That's the reason for the mat, and that's why they are so expensive, is because they are very durable. We're gonna do the same thing here and on other benches inside this room. So that's it for now. I'll update you in a future video after we get the tools, and we're gonna also have shelves on the top here, and I'll see you in the next video.